Welcome to Msoft AVC channel. Here is how to remove noise from photos using AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI. Run AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI. Add one or multiple noisy photos to the program. Before getting started, let's select the AI processor and set the max memory consumption. Select the AI Denoiser model. Turn on face refinement to retouch the portrait photo. Choose output image size and format. Click on eye icon to preview the denoising effect. Zoom in and out to see the details. Turn off face refinement. Tap on the Save All button to save the denoised photo. Done. Now you can check the denoised photos. The noises in the photo have been removed. The overall quality of the photo gets improved. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please click subscribe.